All right, this is the Toyota model GOP 32x50 cylindrical grinder, manufacturer number LG 3032-4.
You got the book already, you know about that.
Documentation,
Yep.
right?
Control. Pretty good shape. 480 volts. It's high voltage. That's all good.
Okay.
Got the wiring on the floor with the coolant system next to you. All this wiring down here is for the filtration, coolant. It's all set up, leveling pads. It's all right here.
Magnetic drum on that.
Yep.
Ooh, could make them dizzy.
Yeah, that's a good spin there.
That was a 360.
Hydraulics, of course, coming into the main manifold.
We're all match marked on the hydraulics already.
Yeah, we'll probably do, this is the way we got them, Pete. We might do something else with the color labels, a little bit easier to work with than these things, but yeah, this all runs pretty good though. Side guards, motors. I can show you the rest up front later.
All right.
It's all good.
Okay, I'm going to just take some detail of this, yes.
Yeah, got the caliper.
Hang on one second. Let's make it.
We can start with the work head here. We can just jog it up. I don't know if I can. I have to start it up though first. So I'm gonna start it. Loop comes up right away, stays running even if the wheel head's not on. We'll jog the work head through a little bit, play with the speed, bring up the wheel head, and then we'll do a plunge cycle and a couple traverse cycles, and we'll play around. Whatever.
All right.
In no particular order. Okay, so pump start with lube. Over the wheel head, let me kind of get in the front face there and get all this at once. I'm just going to use the tap, the manual control, and dial it up and down. A little bit faster. We've got oil in there. It's 250 RPM. Or down low. If I shoot over to this side, I can just turn it on, I believe. And I'm running. No, it's got to be running. I have to be running. That's good there. We've got tail stop.
Hang on, I'm looking at the sign bar.
Yeah, you got that in there. There's a clock in there.
All right.
And of course, table control. The manual stuff is all good. Movable dogs. It's all standard stuff. Put them where you want. I got a little short stroke on there for what we're doing. Got the foot stop there, spring loaded, one diamond dresser. It looks like it's on backwards right now. You turn it, I don't know. And we'll go with wheel head first. In feed is no problem if I wanted to bring that in a little bit. There's in feed. We have to dial that back. Clutch on. In feed, wheel head is here.
Spindle.
Yeah, spindle, main spindle. That's on. Meanwhile, if you just let it traverse, we can play with the speed. Well, we got that running. You can hear that pretty good. That's pretty good shape. Table traverse. Table speed. There's full slow. There's full fast. Almost slow. Bring that down a little bit. Right about there. Shut that off. Take it off the traverse. You're going to do the wheel head retact and advance. Just showing that up here first. That all looks pretty good. Plunge speed, it. There's plunge. If I was sitting on the dog like I should be, would time out and go back. There we go, let's try that again. Advance. That's a fast plunge there. Timing out. Should return. There we go. It's about a 4-second timeout. We can slow that down a little bit now. Advance. That's a little bit slower plunge. More realistic maybe. 6 or 7 thousandths. Get it? Timing out. Back. And a traverse cycle. Bring this all the way to traverse. Advance it in again. We just start the table up. We haven't advanced it yet. I'm just reciprocating. We bring these in tighter to make it happen. There we go. Speed that up. Now we're going to advance. Start kicking. We can speed that up and slow it down here. You dial it down a little bit. You're taking quite a bit off. Now those are shorter hits there. Still stopping right around 7.5 thousandths. I'll dial it back up now. Just a little bit more. A little bit more. We're coming up on the end of the cycle. Timer's on. About 4 seconds when we hit the plunger. Maybe this one. Let's see if we caught it. There it is. Third one. That goes back home. And shut it off in the home. Right there. And that's pretty much it. That's retract, advance. We got pump, wheel spindle, on, off. And work spindle on. See if we get an advance. Yeah, work spindle comes on with advance, and retract shuts it off. So there, so here's more. We're moving like this. Now I send it in, turns it on, slow it down a little bit, something like that. There we go. And back off again. Retract. Shuts it off. And then this is off. And then this is off. Now the hydraulic pump just turned off. The lube times out for another, I think I got it set around 30 seconds to give the wheel time to slow down. So if you want to wait till that shuts off, and that's about the last of it really, Pete. I didn't get into table Terry, but they work good too, so we did the two main ones, Traverse and Traverse feed.
All right, that's a wrap.
Yep.